Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have you guys propped up here on a suitcase in front of a window in my hotel room. So I don't know, just a very casual video today, but I wanted to show you guys what I got at the Sephoria event that I went to in LA this weekend. And I wanted to give you guys just a little bit of like my experience. I wanted to start off with that, so if you guys are interested in going to it sometime, I can give you some tips and what I think about it. So that'll be the first part, and then the next part will be the haul, which is kind of going to be long, so you might want to snack for this one. I'll also leave timestamps below if you guys want to just skip ahead to the haul and you don't want to hear about my experience. That's fine.
Go get a snack.
Alright, so basically what Sephoria is, I'm going to tell you guys that there's a general admission, which is $80, and there's a VIP, which is $350. I did VIP for one day and then just general for another day. So I did go 2 days. I feel like you really only need to go one. It was pretty much the same thing, and I feel like we were pretty much able to accomplish everything we wanted in the first day. So I would just get one day, although I bought two because the sessions are only 4 hours, so I was like, well, like, what if there's long lines and then like we're there and we can't get to everything? But I feel like you're still able to. The lines aren't super long compared to like what I've seen at Gen Beauty. So I would just get one day. And it seemed to me that Sunday, are you filming me? filming me. It's a nice setup.
We have it on my suitcase as well as some like boombox thingy.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Exactly.
I felt that Sunday was a little bit more chill, so I would honestly go Sunday instead, just because I feel like the lines were a little bit shorter, and it was, I don't know, I feel like we were there less time on Sunday, but I had a better time on Sunday. So how it's set up, there's a lot of different brands there that Sephora sells. They all have their little booth, and you would go in. It's basically like a little photo op in every room. It's really cute. So if you guys like to take pictures, love having content for Instagram and stuff like that, then you would really enjoy this. If you're not into pictures, I wouldn't recommend going, because that's pretty much what it is you take pictures in each brand booth basically with their cute setup, which they have really fun stuff. Like I got so many fun pictures from the event, and sometimes they'll give you like a new sample, or they're sampling one of their new products that is launching soon, but they don't give you like full sizes at these things. That's what your swag bag is for. They also offer master classes there that you can book ahead of time with your tickets. So like for instance on Saturday, Natasha Denona is doing a master class, which was like an hour, so you could book that ahead of time. And I think Patrick Ta was doing one, Tatcha, a lot of the brands had one, which was cool. I didn't do one just because, I don't know, I didn't want to sit through that. I wanted to go make sure I got all the booths and stuff. That was more important to me. And then they also have these cool things, like little different experiences you can do. They have the lip bar, which you can customize. A couple brands had a couple lipsticks you can customize, and then they also had a foundation closet where you could find like your perfect match. So these items you do have to pay for if you buy them. So they also offer a little store there, which you can buy some new releases like holiday stuff already that they released, which was cool. So I did buy some of that. So that's kind of what the event is all about. And then you get your swag bag at the end, which is actually really good. So I'm going to show you guys those. So for the VIP, which was $350, which might seem like a lot, but you get a really big swag bag. The $350 ticket, you get a $900 swag bag and a $20 Sephora gift card that you could use at the event. So for me, it was worth it because getting these products for like half off, and then you also get the experience. So it was worth it for me. And then the general admission, which was $80, you get the $250 swag bag. In the VIP, you do get to go in an hour early, which I also thought was very much worth it. You could get all you want done in that short amount of time, since there's like no line. So I would recommend going for one day VIP. Just go ahead and splurge on it. You're getting your money's worth in products, and it was really fun. The only like drawbacks to it is, honestly, if you don't like photos, you're not going to have fun. And it was kind of weird setting up your tickets. They have an app like ahead of time. It only let me like set up for one day, and it wouldn't let me register the second day. It was a mess, so I had to contact customer service multiple times. That was the only thing, but everything else was pretty organized. So that was my experience. I hope you guys found this helpful. I probably would go back again next year. I think it was super fun. I enjoyed it. If you're a makeup lover, I think you'll have a lot of fun. So now I'll get into my haul. So first, all the brands at the booths just give you like maybe a sample. I kind of stuffed all the samples in here. I don't really want to go over everything. They're just small little sizes. that they give you of either like the product they are launching soon or something that's like one of their best sellers. So I stuck them all in this little bag that was from Drunk Elephant. It's so cute. And then yeah, I got a bunch of different little makeup bags. Like Bite Beauty had that. Urban Decay had this bee one, I don't know. We got this water bottle for having VIP. They gave out a little mirror. This scrunchie is from Huda. We got this fun photo taken at YSL. It's super cute. Yeah, some of the booths have these little photo booths as well that print out photos, which is super fun as well. I took this cup. I got like a rosé there, and I thought the cup was cute, so I took it. And then Too Faced gave out this little pop socket. So that was kind of some of the little freebies that I got at the booths, and then I'll get into the gift bags. So first I'll show you guys what is in the general admission gift bag. So you pay $80 for this ticket, and everyone gets this gift bag at the end, and it's actually like really good stuff in here. So first up we have a full-size living proof dry shampoo. This is one of my favorites. Works so well. It makes my hair just feel like literally it's fresh and I just washed it. I also got, this is really nice, a full-size LALA Retro. So basically, you're paying for your $80 ticket. This is like 80 bucks itself. The event really pays for itself with the products that you get. So this is the LALA Retro Whipped Cream from them, which is one of my favorite moisturizers. BRIOGEO gave us a small deep repair conditioning mask. I'm on my vlog camera, so I don't know if I could like focus on stuff. I'll try. We got these Hum Nutrition hair vitamins. These are one of my favorite gummy vitamins. We also got this from Tarte. It is their Quench Hydrating Primer. We got something from Melt. This is a lipstick, I think, in the shade Blitzed. Oh my gosh, what is up with my lipstick? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened to it. Anyways, I got a Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in the shade BLAQUER, which is just a basic black. These are so good. Love these eyeliners from them. They're like the creamiest formula. We got a Replica Beach Walk fragrance. I think this might be a Rollerball. It's a cute little size. I love stuff that smells like the beach, so this will be awesome. So yeah, it's a little Rollerball from Replica. We also got the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I absolutely love this stuff for cleaning my brushes. It works so well, so it's gonna be so nice to have that. And then we got a Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, which is so cute. I really like these Obsessions palettes. I think they're so fun. I love when palettes just have like one color story. It's easy to make a look with. So this is the Amethyst, so pretty, from Huda. We also got in the general admission bag the Urban Decay Primer Potion, which I love and adore, and also this Bite Beauty Daytime Lip Balm, which I think is a new product from them that they were launching at Sephoria. It says it's with Mongongo oil. No clue what that is. But they always have really good lip balms, and their hydrating lip mask is amazing, so I have no doubt that this is going to be incredible. It doesn't really have a scent, but yeah, super cute. So I think that's everything in the general admission bag. I think everyone pretty much got the same products. So as you can see, that was definitely worth 80 bucks to me. Plus you get the awesome experience and fun photos. So yes, I would recommend going. Now I'll show you guys what I got in my VIP swag bag, which is worth like $900. I'll try to add these up too if I have time and see like what the value was. So this is the VIP bag. I got a little different bag. There's a couple of the same products, but mostly all different. So this is the Pat McGrath's Fetish Eyes Mascara. I feel like this might have come out recently, I don't know. But I've been really liking some of Pat McGrath's stuff, so I'm excited to try this out. It looks really fancy. And then this is crazy, but they had a Tom Ford scent in here. This is the Eau de Soleil Blanc, Eau de Toilette. And I think this is supposed to, it kind of smells beachy. I'm not 100% sure. I don't want to open it yet since I'm putting this in my luggage. I don't want it to like explode. But yeah, this stuff is probably like 200 bucks, I have a feeling. But this is so cool. I've never bought a Tom Ford scent before. So we also have, once again, the Drunk Elephant LALA Retro. They have another one in there. They also included another Marc Jacobs. Oh no, I got two of the same shade. So this one is BLAQUER again. And then we also got another Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is the Emerald Obsessions. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, this will be really fun. I don't have a ton of green eyeshadows in my collection, and this one looks really pretty, really fun to experiment with, so that is exciting. And then we also got, this is from IT Cosmetics, the Brow Power Perfector. I think this is brand new from them. 5-in-1 waterproof powder gel pencil. Yeah, I haven't seen this yet. Pretty sure this is new. We got the shade Universal Taupe. They also included my favorite setting powder, the Too Faced Peach Perfect, so that's amazing. I definitely needed a backup. We also got this AMIKA Perk Up Dry Shampoo, which I have so much dry shampoo now. I am stocked up for life. But AMIKA stuff always smells incredible. Love their stuff. And then we got the LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm. This one's really popular from them in the berry scent. I do have this already. Love it. This scent to me is like one of my favorite smells of life. I don't know why, but it smells so good. We also got a full-size Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which is pretty popular from them. I've used it a couple times, not sure how I feel about it exactly. It has a lot of scent in it. I don't like to use a ton of moisturizers that have a lot of fragrance. It kind of smells almost perfumey, but everyone always says it's like amazing. Let me know down below what you guys think of this stuff. We also got the, it's called the, I think INKILESS, I don't know, it's hyaluronic acid. I have not heard of this brand before, but just pure hyaluronic acid. We got the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This stuff is pretty pricey. So another retinol. This is a newer product from them. I think it came out this year. I have some samples of it and I still haven't tried it, which is horrible. I need to try it out and see how it is. We also got this Gucci Bloom Hair Mist, which you could totally wear this as a perfume as well. It's pretty florally. You get 1 ounce in there. They have a new scent that just came out with a green bottle, which I really want to get. It smells so good. We also got a Hourglass Veil Primer full size. So excited to have this because I love this primer. I always use it on special occasions. It really keeps my makeup on. And then we got another Melt lipstick in the shade Shady Lady. This one looks like it doesn't have any weird issues. It is a bright pink. They have some like bright colors. I've never tried anything from Melt. And then we have here, this is from Jouer, their Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. Really exciting. I love their lip enhancer balm, and this one is in Rose, so I feel like I'm gonna like this. I think this is really new as well. I think it came out recently, so this is exciting. There's a lot of pretty recent products in here, and then some of their like really best sellers, so it's not like they gyp you on the swag bag. It's amazing. Another daytime lip balm from Bite, so that will probably go in a giveaway. We got a NARS lipstick. Oh, I wonder if this is one of their new ones. This one is in the shade Damage. I hope it's the new one. I don't know. I don't know how to tell, but I know they came out with brand new lipsticks recently. This color is fun. This will be nice for fall. It's like a plummy mauve. Really pretty. Sorry I'm not swatching stuff at the moment, but I just don't want to make this video super long. We got some Hum Hair Sweet Hair Gummies again. Also, this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, which says it is new. So I've used their peel pads, really enjoy them, so I'm excited to try that out. And then this is from YSL. This is the Rouge Volupte Shine Oil in Stick. So I don't know if this is like, it says Shine Lip Color. So in 46 Orange Perfecto, maybe? It's kind of bright. I don't know. I wish they sent a nude one, but I will try it out. I love their packaging. So cute. Another Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. We got a cute little Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette, which was so cute. And I really like the colors in this one. So this, I think the shades that are in her Star Palette, just taken and then put into mini form, which is a really nice color story. I feel like I could definitely create a whole look with that. We also have the Way Hair Oil. I love Way hair stuff. They smell so good. And then another Urban Decay Primer Potion here. We got a Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. I have one of these. I haven't even used it yet. I don't know what is wrong with me, but they're really cute. They're like a little stack, and then they have a different color. So this one is the Poppy Champagne one, and they just flip up like so. It's so cute. We also got a lip fuel from Cosa Sport, which is a hyaluronic lip balm. It's supposed to be ultra healing. And then we got another BRIOGEO. Oh wait, this is different. The Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I've always wanted to try this from them, but I'm always weird about it because I don't know. I don't want stuff that's like exfoliating my hair, but at the same time, it's supposed to be really good for oily hair, so we'll see. And then this is the Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. I have not heard of this brand yet, but it's a luxurious lotion. It says it has a CBD oil. I don't know what that's supposed to really help with, but I will try it out, I guess. And then we have the Sephora eyeliner, just waterproof brush tip. I think that is everything in my VIP swag bag, so tons of stuff. I'll try to add the prices up if I can. We'll see if I have time. All right, and then like I was saying, they have some stuff for purchase. So I did buy some stuff that was either an early release or exclusive to the event. So they have this little lipstick bar from YSL where you could choose a lipstick color and then engrave the case. It's really cool. So it came in this really nice black case here. And then here is the lipstick I picked out in the shade 66 Boys de Rose. And then I picked out this little heart packaging, which is so fun. I love hearts. And then I just engraved my name on the side, which I just think this is so special. So here is the shade. I wanted to pick out something a little bit darker for fall. This was cool as well. From the Sephora collection, they have these lipsticks, and basically you could print out like a photo from your phone and put it on the lipstick. So this one is in the shade, I don't know if it says the shade, oh, number 6. And I put my cat on there. So cute. I had no clue what to put. So that is the lipstick. These were only $8, so I thought that was kind of fun. And then next I made a little Sephora favorites kit. They had to make your own. You can pick out some different products to put in there, and it was $25. You got this little bag. So I tried to pick out like the biggest sized products that they had. So they had some decent ones. So $25, I picked out the IGK First Class Dry Shampoo. Probably shouldn't have picked this because I realize now I have like 4 dry shampoos now. So I don't know, it was like half a full size, so I figured that was a good deal. They also had the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love and adore this stuff, and this size is huge. So you get 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces. I also picked out the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb, which was also a really good size. So clearly I don't know, I just care about sizes here. So pretty much all skincare and hair care. They had a full-size Olaplex hair perfector. I know a lot of people use this and love it. So this is a full size. It retails for $28. So I thought that was definitely worth it. And then they had the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which is once again a really nice size. So that's my little DIY favorites kit. And then for some other new release stuff or holiday sets that I purchased at the event, they had this NARS set. I've always wanted this glow balm from them. This is the Soft Core Afterglow Lip Balm and Blush. So they're both in the shade Orgasm. You get a mini Orgasm blush and then this little lip balm. I wonder if the lip balm's full size. Let me see. I think it's a mini, but it's so cute. I heard a lot of people love this, so I'm excited to use it. Alright, so next I also picked up the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. I wanted to go ahead and try this since it was launching early at the event. I know there's some controversy because it really does look very similar to the original Gingerbread Spice. It's not a ton different, so I kind of want to do like a comparison of both of them, but I love Too Faced and I love this palette, so I figured I would go ahead and pick that up. So let me know if you want a comparison on the two Gingerbread Spicy palettes. And then lastly, I picked up this Fenty Gloss Bomb set. I feel like everyone is so excited for this. And this is really cute because they have mostly new shades in here. It's called Glossy Posse, and this is coming out for holidays. And they're all little minis, so you get 5 minis in here in the shades Pretty Please, Fussy, Confetti, Hot Chocolate, and Cheeky. I think Fussy is the one that they already have. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's so cute. I feel like these are pretty wearable shades. So I had to pick that up as well. And I think that is everything I got at Sephoria. It's quite a big haul, but like I said, I had a lot of fun at the event. I would say it's worth it, especially with the swag bags. You get a lot for your money, in my opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think if you're planning to go next year. I think it's super fun. But that's gonna be it for my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.